channel, Journal Treasures. My name is Galit. Hi, it's been a while. Life has been really hard lately, and it still is, but coping better. For those of you who don't know, my nephew been hospitalized again and is now of course out, but life was very difficult at the time. And I went through a major surgery, which was not easy. It was a dental surgery, and life is still hard, but yeah, we just keep going. This is my new journal. It's very simple but very different from my other journals. If you have seen, I will link some of the flip through down below for you. But yeah, this is very different from what I'm used to. Very basic. I just wanted a journal. Sorry about the lights. But yeah, I really love the window. I think it came out really nice. And if you're asking these little details here, I really worked hard to make them. It's like an old vintage attic thingy. As you open it, we have, I will bring some, we have a little pocket here. And we have the little detail here. I really love the colors and the details. I didn't put any pockets here yet because I just didn't want it to make it busy, and then I won't be inspired. This is another signature.
Over here, you know.
And here we have another detail. I love this because I've made this in a lot of details here. I know it's already chunky and it will be an alligator mouth once I finish it, but I found out that I really love the alligator mouth, so, and I'm not selling it, so I don't really care. It's just for my own, and again I made this here. Option for a pocket or anything else. Here can be that. And here I've made a few ephemera holders and stuff like that. I will link it down below as well for you to see. And I made something like a one signature thingy. I have this. I love the details here a bit. I will try to make it look, yeah. And we have a little pocket here. The colors are pretty much the same.
Over here, you know?
here. Again, I love the little details here. We have a little envelope. Back we have another pocket, and as you see, it's very different from what I'm used to, but I really love how it turned out. And I don't know how much it is because I just winged it, but it's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 centimeters by 14. This is the new junk journal. I hope you loved it. And as you can see, it's pretty much full, and it will be an alligator mouth once I finish with it, but I love it. This is a more of a tarot junk journal, and I really love the details here, and I love the back as well. So yeah, this is pretty much the first time I made a junk journal for tarot itself. I usually use a notebook that I have, but I really wanted to start making a collage junk journal scrapbook for tarot because I use tarot a lot. So yeah. And this is very basic as well. It's made from a paper bag that I collaged above it, and it's like doing a masterboard collage. And if you want, I will link it down below for you to see how I made one. And this is pretty much the same. I took just a paper bag, as you can see, and I collaged it. And I sew very badly, as you can see. Yeah, I'm not good with that. So yeah, you have a pocket here, and it's basically only one signature. I have a little here. I have some paper bag here. Here we can make a little pocket as well as here. Yeah, it's very basic, but I really love how it turned out. I love the colors a lot, and I can't wait to use that. I hope you will join me with this journal, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!